The owners believe that the damage to the outside of this pyramid, as well as the contents inside, will run into the millions of dollars. Insurance adjusters here on the scene right now, they'll, of course, have the final say, but the owners, Jim and Linda Onens, for them, this was a dream that they were able to accomplish, and it became an icon, a landmark for all of Lake County. The damage is heartbreaking. They were able to go in and assess everything for the first time this morning. There is water damage and soot everywhere, covering the walls, floors, furniture, and millions of dollars worth of artifacts housed here. The fire that caused all of this damage apparently started during some repair work.
A lot of things that can't be replaced, pictures and personal items. Linda's lived here 35 years, so for her it's very traumatic.
Among the treasures, a replica of King Tut's tomb, a giant sarcophagus, tons of gold-plated dishes, furniture, and other items. The moat that surrounds the structure here is filled with spring water from a natural well the family discovered when building the pyramid. They now bottle and sell the mineral water and make vodka with it as well. Well, you can see most of the damage is on the north side of the pyramid here. And I want to focus your attention on the moat again, which we mentioned is filled with that spring water, which they bottle and sell. The fire department actually used the water from that moat to fight the fire yesterday as well. In the meantime, they do plan to go on with some outside events that they have already scheduled here on the grounds while they work to rebuild the pyramid.